Class 7. Good morning, everybody. Today, our subject is GK and our chapter 11 chapter Magnificent Sports Forts. India is a land of ancient forts and monuments which describe its drifts manifested first. Read the clause and name these forts. Number 1. It is one of the largest forts in India situated at an elevated platform of and very thick walls as boundaries thus make the fort look very imposing. The fort has seven distinct gates, one of which still has cannon bell imprints so as to signify the wars of the past. Answer Mehrangarh Fort. Number 2, this fort is referred to as a walled city because of its area spread over 94 acres. From here, the Kohinoor diamond was seized by the Mughal ruler Babur. Answer Agra Fort. Answer Agra Fort. Number 3, it was the capital fort of the Tughlaqs under Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He forcibly moved the whole population of Delhi to here, and before he knew it, they ran out of water and eventually had to abandon the fort and city. Answer Daulatabad Fort. Number 4, the fort has one of the richest histories in the monuments of its time. The fort itself has a boundary wall that is about 10 kilometers long. A clap at this entrance can be heard a kilometer away at a Balahisar pavilion. Answer Golconda Fort. Answer Golconda Fort. Number 5, it stands proud on the Trikuta Hills in the Thar Desert during its capture by Alauddin Khilji. The women of the royal family committed Jawhar to save themselves from having their modesty engaged by the invaders. Answer Jaisalmer Fort. Answer Jaisalmer Fort. Number 6, this World Heritage Site was built in the 15th century by Rana Kumbha. It is one of the offbeat fort in India, situated 80 km of Udaipur. The fort was built to be impregnable. Answer Kumbhalgarh Fort. Answer Kumbhalgarh Fort. Number 7, this is one of the few major forts in Rajasthan that has not been constructed on a hilltop. This is an important fort for the locals because the city has evolved and grown around the fort. Answer Junagadh Fort. Answer Junagadh Fort. Next, chapter 12, Globe Lines. Next, chapter 12, Globe Lines. Number 1, dash represent the imaginary lines passing round the earth midway between the north and south poles. It thus divides the earth into two equal halves. Answer equator. Answer equator. Number 2, dash represent the imaginary lines drawn out on the global map from pole to pole and perpendicular to the equator. Answer median. Answer median. Number 3, dash is the 0-degree median which passes through Greenwich, a place near London. It is also known as Greenwich median. Answer prime median. Number 4, dash are the equidistant lines drawn east and west of the Greenwich median. They converge at the two poles. Answer longitudes. Number 5, dash are parallel lines drawn north and south of the equator. Answer latitudes. Next, dash are literally turning points. They after to those parallels where the sun is imagined to halt its movement and turn about northward and southward. The 23rd half degree north parallel is thus termed as the tropic of Cancer, and the 23rd half degree south parallel as topic of Capricorn. Number 7, dash lines. Dash lines join place of equal heights above sea level on a map contour. Number 8, dash refers to lines drawn on a map joining place with the same atmospheric pressure at a given specific time. Isospheres. Answer isospheres. Number 9, dash are lines on a meteorological map joining places of equal monthly of yearly rainfall. Isoheids. Number 10, dash are lines on a meteorological map joining places of equal temperature. Answer isotherms. Okay, that's all.